mystery settings. Love, they're identical from above. Two gorgeous glitches in the villa code. Copy paste hearts in romance mode. Julia and Lorenzo, what a match! Perfect match. Perfect match. She sells insurance with a wink. He runs his business smooth. Both talking with their hands like they're conducting a groove. Mirror image lovers, even blinking in time. They're the villain's favorite rom-com, the accidental rhyme. She rolls her eyes, he rolls them too. She steals his drink, he steals hers too. Everyone's saying they're a copy-paste crew, 'cause they cut from the same cloth, running on the same songs. Two hearts with the same default settings. Love Island's finest double blessings. Julia and Lorenzo, what a catch! A perfect match. A perfect match. Maybe fate got bored and duplicated souls. Maybe Cupid hit duplicate instead of control. But whatever happened, the villa can agree they're the funniest, sweetest glitch in the Love Island machine. Cut from the same cloth, perfect as a coin toss. Two hearts sinking like a smartwatch flash. Julia and Lorenzo, perfect match.